Welcome back to Render and Revive. Today we're tackling an American classic, a neglected 1920s craftsman home. When we first walked in, it was a disaster zone. Decades of neglect, water damage, and debris everywhere you looked. Most investors would tear a place like this down, but we saw the potential in that original woodwork. The bones were still good. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we took this nightmare and turned it into a luxury dream home, increasing its property value by an estimated $150,000. Let's get to work. Before any of the luxury finishes can happen, you have to handle the grime. This stage is crucial. We aren't just cleaning, we are sanitizing decades of dirt and mold. We used industrial-grade steamers to strip the walls back to the original plaster without damaging it. Here is a pro tip for all you DIYers out there: never paint over dirt. It seems obvious, but if you skip this heavy-duty prep stage, your expensive new paint job will start peeling off in 6 months. It has to be surgical clean before you can rebuild. Now we're making real progress. For the walls, we chose a warm greige. Sherwin-Williams' Agreeable grey is huge in the US market right now, to brighten the space while keeping it cozy and modern. But the real star here is the floor. We uncovered the original 100-year-old oak hardwoods hidden under layers of nasty old carpet. We are carefully sanding them down to the raw wood. The goal isn't to make them look brand new, it's to restore their original character and grain. And just 4 weeks later, here is the result. It doesn't even look like the same house. The floors are gleaming with a satin finish. We staged it with modern neutral furniture and organic textures to appeal to high-end buyers. We saved the original architecture but gave it a modern luxury feel. This is the power of a smart renovation. If you love satisfying transformations like this and want more USA-style renovation tips, hit that subscribe button for Render and Revive. We have an even bigger project coming next week that you won't want to miss.